Okay mga guys, so ito rin ating manual transmission na i-pull down na natin. So ito yung maingay pagka naka-reverse gear. So pinull down natin para dismantle natin for inspection. So ang manual transmission model code natin ay R5MB1. So bago yan mga guys, natin umpisan yung ating video episode sa araw na to. Kung kayo ay mapadpad sa ating YouTube channel, naanyayahan ko kayong mag-subscribe, like, share at hit yung notification bell icon, yung all, para ma-notify kayo sa lahat ng video tutorial na i-upload ko. So umpisa na natin ang ating video episode sa araw na to. Step by step natin gagawin yung pag-disassemble ng ating transmission. First step, we have to remove this backup lamp switch. We'll use adjustable rings. Next to be removed is this clutch housing of our manual transmission. Okay. Okay mga guys, so next to be removed this front retainer bearing. All of these mounting bolts, we will remove it. Okay. We're going to use this 12 mm dip socket together this impact rings counterclockwise rotation. Okay guys, so next to be removed this extension housing. We're going to use this 14 mm dip socket extension valve with this impact ring. Okay. Okay guys, so next we're going to remove this two stop ring here. We are using this stop ring remover, flat tip, but we can easily remove our stop ring. Okay guys, so next we'll remove this transmission case sub-assembly. We will tap it here inside using our plastic hammer. Remove the transmission magnet here. Okay guys, so next to be removed this compression spring. We have 3 pieces here. We'll remove this plug. We are using this T40. Okay, we'll insert here, then we will loosen. Okay, we will use this T40 with power handle. We'll loosen first the 3 plugs. Okay. Okay, we removed the plug already. So there is identification color here of its spring. We have the violet here, dark color, and on top also violet color. Okay, So these are the three spring we remove from this spool. So same length and same diameter. Even you interchange the location, no problem. Then we will use this magnet to remove the chip ball here inside the transmission case. Okay, rolling down. Next, we remove this hexagon bolt for shifting port, third and fourth. We're using 10 mm and power handle. Then this stop ring for our shifting ring, we have to remove also. Okay, this the one we remove already the stop ring of our shifting reel of our third and fourth shifting port. Okay. Now we'll remove. Next is we have to remove the roller of our shifting reel or third and fourth. Okay, so this is the one. Next, this hexagonal bolt of our first and second gear shifting port. Then there's another snap ring of our shifting reel. We have to remove also. Okay, we already removed the snap ring of our shifting reel for first and second gear. So this is the one. Next to be removed first and second shifting reel together the shifting port. Okay. Next to be removed is the roller. Okay. We will remove this slotted pin of our fifth gear shifting port. We will use this spring pin remover. Okay. Okay, so we have to look the proper position so that we can remove in a proper and correct position. Okay. So, next, we will remove the snap ring of this shifting reel of our fifth shifting port. Okay. Press down. Okay. This snap ring. Okay. Then we will remove the roller pin. Then the check pulley. Let's remove also. We'll remove this snap ring of our shifting rail for reverse. So this is the one. We'll remove this shifting reel using the camera plier. Okay, better don't remove the shifting wheel for easy to assemble purposes. Okay. We'll remove this sharp snap ring of our hub. We'll use these two flat screwdriver. Okay, so this is the one. We remove already. So there's damage in our idler gear. Together also in our sleeve. It become thin, the gear. Slightly damaged. Also in our counter shaft, the reverse gear of our counter shaft, it become thin also. We will use puller to remove this hub of our fifth gear. Okay guys, so tanggalan natin yung hub. Okay guys, so remove natin yung split pin sa ating counter shaft. Okay mga guys, so next to be removed this output shaft retainer bearing. This 4 bolts we have to remove so that we can pull out this output shaft. Okay. Okay. So we will use 12 mm dip socket extension bar with our package. Okay. The next, we'll remove this snap ring, okay, so that we can remove this output shaft or main shaft. We'll use this snap ring remover, flat tip. Then we will remove this idler shaft together our idler gear. Okay. We have to remove also the snap ring of our counter shaft bearing, the rear side. This one. Okay, we remove already. Pinion drive. Whether the needle bearing and the output shaft. The last one, our counter gear. Okay guys, so this is our output shaft or the main shaft. We have to dismantle. First thing to do, we have to remove the snapping gear so that we can easily remove the gears of our output shop. Okay, for proper inspection, and this sleeve, the gear here, it become thinner, so we have to do inspection, and if necessary to replace, we are going to replace a new one. Okay, we have two flat screwdriver and hammer, ball-peen hammer. We're going to use to remove the snap ring. Okay guys, so we remove the snap ring already from our main shop. Okay guys, this is our output shop. We put in our hydraulic pressing machine. We will press the first gear so that we can easily remove, separate from our output shop. Okay. Okay, so already separated our first gear in our output shop. Okay guys, so we will remove our mechanical parts of our output shop. This is the fifth gear, the bearing, the first gear, synchronizer ring for our first gear. We have the needle bearing here. We have pin here. And our slip of our first and second gear to remove also. We have to replace this one. And inspect the spline of our output shop, but straight like okay. Then next to be remove this hub of our first and second gear. This plastic. Have to remove the snap ring. Okay, we remove already the snap ring of our hub of our first and second gear. Okay guys, the second gear we have to press in our hydraulic pressing machine so that we can easily remove. Okay guys, so we remove the hub of our first and second gear. The synchronizer ring, and also our second gear. And the needle bearing, and we will do inspection of our output shop, especially the spline here. Everything are in good condition. Okay guys, so that's all for today. End of our dismantling and inspection of our manual transmission. Thank you for watching, and God bless everyone. See you in next video tutorial.